I'm so happy to meet you, babe.
It's excited. They're
Now,
too excited.
Carry this. Come here, have biscuit.
Bing, bing,
And
bing.
taste the banana cake.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Taste the banana. Yeah, taste it. No. Taste it. Oh, taste it. Taste it too. This one? Yeah. Taste it.
First time in my life I made, okay?
Oh, it's nice.
I never made
Taste
it
it.
before.
Taste it. And taste the
You're trying.
Taste the banana bread. It's so good. He's touching the cranberries.
Yeah, I put cranberries, I put walnut, I put...
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, I'll make a movie. Okay. The title is Christmas with Bing.
Finally, it's Christmas. Maybe I should stay here forever. I want you to stay here forever, never. For 18 weeks, I want you to stay here. Forever, never. I just want you, Bing. I love you. Stay here for 100 years.
Oh, I'm good.
Well, we went to outside and it was dark and then a polar bear would eat you up. Then I would search all my life for Bing. Yeah. And then you would be dead and then we would have to take you to the hospital. Yeah, we had to bury you, Bing. We just love you so much.
Daddy is eating or not?
No, he's not. He's the one that you made.
It's very tasty, even I like it. Banana bread is my favorite.
I just want you to have all because I want you.
I'm taking all, I baked all of this to take with us on our trip.
Looks like a whisper in there.
I'll just seriously tell you something. I seriously have to. No. What did you say?